So I was able to replace the bolt that came, the lower bolt on the caliper came loose, and then fell off, and I was able to put in a bolt from SL. I think it was from a SL. That is not the right size, but will get me to drive home having brakes. So that's done for now, but the excitement continues. I found out I need two axle rods, or whatever is on the ends of the steering rack, the right and the left. They're both done. And you guys hear that noise? You hear that? Yeah, that's my blower motor. Same day, all in the same day. It's a beautiful thing. You never know what's gonna happen, but I wouldn't trade my Mercedes for anything. I love this car. I wouldn't trade it. I mean, I can't say enough about it. But the problem is, the stuff does creep up, and it does need to be fixed. So I looked up. Blower motor is brand new cheap Chinese knockoff, or whatever that is, for like $50 on eBay, like 54 or something like that. And there isn't one original on eBay. Not one original. There isn't a brand new original on eBay. They have used originals at starting at like 155 or something like that. But if I'm gonna put a blower, I'm gonna put a new one, because I don't want this noise to happen. This is ridiculous. We hit a pothole. I was driving, I hit a pothole, and it started doing this. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take it apart tonight. It's 93 degrees. Just trying to show you the dash, but you're looking at me. I'm tired. Been messing around with this and the trucks all day. I'm tired, but I'm thinking about ordering a cheap Chinese one for $50 or whatever it costs, and see how long that's gonna last. I mean, if it lasts a year, it's better than this. Anyway, I don't even know if you can hear me right now. This is ridiculous. I'm going home. Maybe I'll take the blower apart later, but it's 93 degrees here. Not hospitable weather for doing anything except laying around and drinking. Might go to the beach later. That sounds like a better plan. In any case, please let me know what you know about the parts that I need, suspension, and what I showed you in the videos that I made yesterday. And we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. As usual, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.